Hi everyone, a very big good morning to each one of you. I hope you are doing well along with your family in this difficult time of coronavirus. Friends, today again I am here with a new video, and today I choose to talk on something which is very important to understand, that is our healing system. Friends, we all know that we have different type of systems which available in our body, that we have this nervous system which controls each and every function of our body, like how we are perceiving things in our internal or in our external environments. Similarly, like we have this cardiovascular system which controls each and every function of our heart and how it supply blood to each and every part of our body to meet all such metabolic requirements. More importantly, our heart actually, with the help of that blood which it supply, it actually supplied that oxygen which is life saving for us. Without oxygen, we cannot even think for a moment. We have this digestive system which actually control all the digestion process. As we know, it actually, this break down all the large food particle into smaller particle to convert them into nutrition and to give us energy that we require to function our body properly. Similarly, like in our body, we have this healing system, because sometimes you tend to think that if you fall sick or you coming down with some sort of ailments or fever or cold and cough, you feel that after a couple of days you start getting better on each and every passing day. How it happens? It happens just because you have this inner healing system which actually heals your body by itself. So like there are people who don't even take any medicine, and after few days or after, like couple of days, they're getting better with like cold and cough or fever, I would say. I'm not saying that taking medicine is harmful, but you need to give chance to your healing system to heal by itself. So because God has given this wonderful healing system, so we need to rely them and we need to feel it. Thank you so much.